All right, thanks a lot. Well, the family of Patrick Lyoya is speaking out for the first time this morning after the decision to not criminally retry former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schur for the death of their son.
And even though the criminal trial is now done, the court cases are not. We have Andy Curtis joining us this morning with what to expect about what will now come next. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Janice. Good morning, Elliot. This morning at 9 o'clock a.m., the Lyoya family and their attorneys, Ben Johnson and Ben Crump, will hold a press conference with their response to Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker's decision to not retry Schur. This will be the first time the family has spoken directly following the decision made 1 week ago today. Now, the family is also expected to comment on what comes next in their civil case, which is separate from the criminal case not being retried. The Lyoya family attorneys claim Patrick's Fourth Amendment rights were violated by what they say was Schur's use of excessive force. Schur shot and killed Lyoya in the back of the head as the two struggled over his taser during a 2022 traffic stop. He was criminally charged with second-degree murder, but the jury was unable to reach a verdict, ending in a mistrial. The civil lawsuit is against Schur, asking for financial compensation. It could end up back before a jury or could be settled outside of court. Fox 17 chatted with an attorney about what could happen with this case. Now, in a civil case, the plaintiff only needs to prove their version of the events is more likely than the defendant's. And that's very different from a civil case.
That the preponderance standard is basically just a tipping of the scales, more likely than not, which is substantially less difficult than proving beyond a reasonable doubt. It's likely, because most civil cases do, that there'll be a settlement before trial. Very few civil cases are actually tried.
Now, of course, we'll be keeping an eye on today's news conference for any updates, and you can follow along with us on fox17online.com. Reporting here in the studio.